Savataina Aape Melu Sarini Kante Savataina.
Natyarambha welcomes you to Tamrapatra, session 11, with the exquisite, intriguing title, The Loving Rivals. I am intrigued. What is this story all about?
Amazing participants for Tamrapatra, which has been consistent over 11 months for us. And we're very grateful for this, of course. So Bragha Akka being one of my personal favorites as far as Abhinaya is concerned, I thought, let me give Bragha Akka a song, which I knew only Bragha Akka can do. How the indigenous cultures or ancient traditions had a lot of polygamy and polyandry, both as a concept. Now, in the context of deity worship, we find that many of the Hindu gods have multiple wives. Why our gods have so many wives is because these are all the various energies that accompany him in his task that he has to carry out. So unlike what we see in Kshetraya and in any of the other Telugu poets, or for that matter, any Pada Sahitya, the other woman in the whole story is always spoken badly of. You know, we always say that, oh, she's the other woman. So she has lured you, she has tempted you. This is the tone that we always use for the other woman. But here the tone is something completely different. You should actually listen to the other woman. You should listen to her and do exactly what she says. Behave in the way in which she's telling you to behave. Because no matter what, she's definitely better than you, at least. So that is on that dangerous note, the Sankirtana begins. And then she has many things to say, which we'll of course see in Bragha Akka's voice. So over to Bragha Akka.
Every workshop was a gem, and we thoroughly enjoyed the poetry and Anupama's explanation and the choreographer's ideas. And it was really a different plane we were living those couple of days. Ananda, thank you very much for this opportunity. You have truly done a big kaingaryam to Lord Venkateshwara, to Annamaya, and to the artwork. It took me quite some time to figure the character, to figure the style. So first time when she said Savataina, so I sit with, okay, let me make hand. When it is she, there was already Savataina, because 50 years I have danced Savataina, that girl, like this. Now all of a sudden to say, oh, she is a wonderful person, took me time. The idea is, her heart is like so tender, so soft, like a flower. Whereas you are the one. You remember with Gopikas, how like flower after flower after flower you go. You see how the different colors we bring in. Kalanidhi Mami was famous for it. Everything with different shades of rasas she will approach. So that's also one kind of exercise. So you're able to land in any rasa, any tone, any color very easily. Bhuma Devi, when Asura kept her or, took her to the underworld, you took the form of Varaha and lifted her. When she was released, looking at you, she was charmed. Even your Varaga face attracted her. She is greater. She has nothing but love to give you.
Doubly to thank you, because Annamaya songs have not that popular in many parts of the world. You brought it universal. I think Anupama, we can listen to you for days. Listen to you for hours.
Thank you so much.
It's so beautifully explained, and I think it's something that all of us, the dance fraternity, needs to go deeper into the poetry, because all great poets like Annamaya, they have layers, and normally we take the first layer and we don't know what is below. The inner meaning and their inner intention of the Sahitya is actually few levels below. And I think it's very good that you, through this exercise, the dancers here have actually got to understand that they have to dig deeper. The diamond, the jewel crown of this work was at the end, where you brought the extension of Bhuma Devi, her role, because I like to say that Annamacharya talks about, in the second charanam, he talks about playing the game and how that she is there to give him good luck. But you extended that to say, not only she gave you good luck, she made your avatars possible.
Yes.
It's a month after month yagna that Ananta is doing, and you are being participating in this. And I'm sure you're not only blessed by Venkateshwara and Annamaya, also blessed by the divine of dance, because I think at the end of the day, dance is a Purna Kala. Thank you to Ananda, thank you Anupama, and thank you Bragha. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kannamma.
Savataina Aape Melu Abhinaya Cheppina